The Curfew Home, an old-aged institution for ex-service members, and the Josephine Glasspool Basic School will be the major beneficiaries of this year's True Craftsmen T10 tournament set for July at Sabina Park. Conceptualizer of the competition, Lockett McGregor, shared the reason behind the event.
Our T10 tournament is a large event. It has been going on for the past maybe 15 years. It's a competition among the three constitutions, which is the Irish, the English, and the Scottish. And we normally do it as a fundraising event for different charities.
McGregor also explained the format of the tournament.
It's a competition against the three constitutions. Each constitution is allowed two top cricketers, maybe from West Indies or Jamaica, or has played at that level. Well, each constitution will pick a team of 11 players. The English should have a team of 11, Scottish should have, and Irish should have a team of 11 taking part. And that's how it's a T10, so it's 10 overs each team, and so it's the finish in one day.
Former West Indies players Nehemiah Perry and Waver Hines have taken part in the competition in the past.